Meaning of depot.
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 Depot. A depot is a location where goods or equipment are stored, typically before being distributed for use. The term can refer to a variety of facilities, including warehouses, garages, or train or bus stations. Depots often serve as important logistical hubs, facilitating the movement of goods and people between different locations. Some depots specialize in specific types of products or services, such as military supplies or public transit vehicles. In short, a depot is a vital part of many supply chains and transportation networks, providing crucial storage and distribution capabilities.